Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2024 through 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV. Bringing electric power to one of the industry's most recognizable truck platforms, the Silverado EV combines advanced technology, instant torque, and full-size capability. With the added weight of an EV battery system, dependable braking is essential for maintaining control. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads are engineered to provide quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable stopping performance under EV-specific conditions. Designed to work alongside regenerative braking systems, they help deliver smooth and predictable response. Supporting that performance are DFC's GeoSpec coated rotors, built to maintain consistent braking characteristics while helping resist corrosion from moisture, road salt, and harsh operating environments. OE-specific designs ensure proper fitment and reliable installation. Whether towing, hauling, or driving daily, DFC braking components help the Silverado EV deliver the confidence and control drivers expect. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC proudly supports the 2024 to 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV with a complete braking solution. Pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.